These that weren't transplanted, they are doing so well. The transplants are coming very slow, but I'm just doing an experiment with them to see if next time I should just do away with the transplant or if I should just continue transplanting. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Country Warrior. Today I'm going to be taking you guys in the in-ground garden. I've been saying it for a couple of weeks now, but I just haven't got around to it. Today I have a bit of time, so I'm just going to take you guys through the in-ground garden and show you guys what has been happening over on this side. In February of this year, 2025, when I did my first backyard gardening video, it was on this side of the yard. We didn't have these grow beds in place. We didn't have anything like this in place over on this side. All it was just my in-ground garden where I was doing like a polytype gardening. I had everything on this side of the yard. The greenhouse was there. The conure aviary was also there. But the changes that I've done for the past months, I've just been transforming it into a in-ground organized raised bed area. So nothing has changed that much with this side of the yard. When I did this, a few viewers and subscribers said to me that I should stick to the old way because they really started watching the channel because of the old way. I promised them that nothing would have changed in a major way. It would have been the same. It's just that I'm going in with beds so it can be more organized, so I can take people along better when I'm doing these videos. So 10 months later, and here we are. So I'm not the person that is going to tell you that if I do it, you can do it. I don't look at life that way. But what I can say is, if you want to do it, you can do it. If you have a fully lawn backyard and you want to get it like this, it is quite simple to get it like this, step by step. You guys can go back, you guys can see how I made these raised beds out of board, put them together and just drop them at a spot, put cardboard in and make the pathway. It takes some money to it, so it needs a little bit of financial pushing, but you can go slow anyways. Here we have the elephant garlics coming up. Every single one of them that I planted, they're out now, out of the ground, so they're all coming up. A little struggling one right here, but it's coming too. With my gardening technique, guys, I don't have a bed dedicated for anything special. I'm just doing a backyard garden the old traditional way to feed a family. So it's nothing fancy. It may look beautiful to some. Well, it's beautiful to me because food is coming from it. But it's not that fancy thing that you guys are seeing on the internet most of the time. This is just simple backyard homesteading, simple backyard living, for a better word. So in this bed right here, I have cauliflower, bok choy, bell peppers over on that side. I'm not sure if the camera is focusing, and onions all the way through, and a few carrots, the ones that I transplanted. Same thing in this bed. This is just confusion. Everything is in this bed. I even have turnip and radishes in this bed, so they're just coming up because after I planted, I went in and I sprinkled some seeds also for them to just germinate and grow whenever they were ready. This center bed right here, it has callaloo in it, amaranth, but it also has peppers and other things. If I go down closely, you guys can see that's a banana pepper inside of this canopy. I have Swiss chard over on this side. Everything is just coming here. This is a bell pepper right here. It's just much more easier now for me to go through and harvest and weed up. That's the only difference right now. In these two corner beds here, I have things like celery and other plants that can manage a bit of shade, but mostly brassicas. Did the edging with pineapples, and those are all pineapple heads that I bought the pineapple, whether it be from Walmart or Bravo, Costco, and I just removed the head and just put them in ground, and they're all coming up. So they're forming a pineapple edge for me. Here are the same set of green scallions. I still went ahead with them, put them in back. They're basically in the same spot that they were before I started this type of gardening. So they're just not doing bad at all. This right here, another celery. And these are some pak choy. I wanted to go ahead and harvest some pak choy, but I'll be doing it in the morning. It's too late now. It's almost 12 in the day, and I don't want to harvest my veggies at this time of day when it's so hot. If you look at them, they're wilting a bit. This is not why we garden. We garden because we want fresh vegetables that are bursting with flavor. So if I was going to the store, I wouldn't have a choice. I would just have to look for the best dirty shirt that they have in the store. Now I have my vegetable in my garden. I can do whatever I want and harvest whenever I want. The carrots right here, they're just going away like crazy. These that weren't transplanted, they are doing so well. The transplants are coming very slow, but I'm just doing an experiment with them to see if next time I should just do away with the transplant or if I should just continue transplanting. So let's see. But the carrots are looking really good. It's fall time, and here we have a sunflower in the garden with a bee on it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a good shot at him. This is not bad. The tropic and the subtropic is the place to garden. For the new variety of tomatoes that I tried, they are not doing so well, and I'm gonna try with them next spring. So I'm not giving up. We have tomatoes on it. I think this one is the Black Beauty right there. Cucumbers are starting to die back now. Time is getting real cool, so this is not their weather. Hitting some 30s and some 40s some of the time, but we're still harvesting. So as we go, we still can get cucumbers up until maybe about the second week of December. More cucumbers under here. And we can still be getting cucumbers. Over on the grow bag section, things are bouncing back and they're looking good also. It's almost 12 in the afternoon, so they're kind of wilting. But if you're a gardener, you know that's what the sun does to the garden. But everything is coming up quite well. We had a problem with these grow bags and the soil that was in them. The cabbages, they are not looking bad. So I'm not feeling behind with the grow bags. Even though I had was to redo some of the soil, I'm still not feeling bad with them. We have a cabbage almost fully full here. It's not firm enough, but it's coming along. That's a big boy right there. Same over here. One more is coming up there. And I haven't harvested sweet potatoes as yet. I'm supposed to go in and harvest some sweet potatoes later this week. I want to make some potato pudding for Thanksgiving. So this is the bed with the gingers that I told you guys that I was going to add things to. I went ahead and look what's happening. We have radishes coming up, popping up out of the ground. We're doing well over on this side also, and they won't affect the gingers, so I'll continue to grow the gingers in this bed and just mix things in with them. This bed on this side, these are peanut, and we have a pepper here that's going to die back now. So this pepper has done its time, but I'm still going to leave it to continue fruiting if it may. Down in this corner here of the same bed, it's way overshaded, but I have some lettuce coming up and I'm going to leave them. These things can handle the shade, so I'm just going to leave them in this shaded area because they can handle the shade. Around this side, I move a few of the aloe vera from the front yard and put them in the back, and this is how they're coming up. So we have a lot of pups right here just bursting up in this tire. So this is like a grow tire that I have here, and I just put some dirt in it and everything is coming up. Cucumbers on this side. Guys, in Jamaica we say cucumber. So the cucumbers on this side, still have them. I have more up there, and they're going. More cucumbers here. Let me get these off because these are way too full to be on the plant. So let me just get them off as we go along and do our garden tour. So that's 4 cucumbers in this little spot right here, and I could go ahead and get these also. And if you come down on this trellis area, you will see all these cucumbers here. So we have here cucumbers there, and all around. So this is just a new grow bag area that I started, and it's coming along well. The bananas still doing well at this time. We went down in the 30s last week and they're still here doing well, which even though we went down in the 30s last week, it wasn't a frost. We went down in the 30s, I think it was about 36 or 37, but we had wind speed of 15 to 18 miles per hour. Whenever you're checking the weather to know when there's a frost coming through or a cold spell, if you're going to have wind speed above 15 miles per hour or even 12 miles per hour, you're going to be safe from a frost most of the time. You're going to be safe. Maybe 90% of the time, you will be safe. These tomatoes right here, they're coming along well. We have some tomatoes on them. Just spook the birds off. We have some tomatoes on them, so they're coming along well. This passage area is where I had some sweet potatoes. I have to go in now and try to harvest them because I was trampling this area. A few of my birds got out and I was trying to get them back in, and it was a show to get them back in. I'm still missing 6, but that's life. It's just a part of life. I have 2 grape plants here. Those are 2 grapes and a passion right here. I'm going to try to get a trellis to put the grapes on. The passion is going to go on the fence area. The grapes, I'm going to put them on the south side of the house so that they can grow on a trellis and provide shade to the south side of the house. This is a new grow bag area that I started. Had a few extra grow bags, so I went ahead and just get some veggies into the grow bags instead of having them just lying around the yard. This is the old papaya tree. Cut it and I planted some lettuce inside of here, so I'll be using it until I can't use it anymore. So it's a very hot day. The sun is really standing in the sky, as we would say in Jamaica. So I'm going to get out of this heat. Nala is here, want a bit of cuddle. Let me turn the camera down on her. She just wants to cuddle. Say something. So she has nothing to say. She just wants to be here, lying around and dogging around. This video, it's just going to be a short one, short garden tour. That's going to be it from Country Morrow. God bless you all. See you in the next one, and cheers.